reach as many people as possible and grow an amazing community of beautiful individuals who love life and want to get better at living. Hello beautiful people and welcome to my channel. What is my channel all about? I'll tell you. Since reaching adulthood, I have found life to be a never-ending whirlpool of confusion and mixed messages. The overwhelming pressure of knowing exactly what you want to do and where you want to be led to this. I just feel like I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm passionate about. Something had to change, and so I've made it my mission to make my life something that I am completely and utterly obsessed with. And to be honest, this all stemmed from one quote: if you're not obsessed with your life, get a new one. So that's what I'm doing. After graduating uni as a midwife with a first class degree, I jumped on a plane with boyfriend Ben and relocated New Zealand to live our dream. So what can you expect from me? I'll be honest, quite a lot. There's a lot I enjoy, and I'm also the kind of person to just try new things all the damn time in search of finding more things that I love. I love to surf. I love food, I love fitness, I love life, and I also love sharing these amazing adventures across New Zealand after moving here from the UK. On top of this though, I am a science-based gal at heart, and I do love to bring you guys content that shares science-based information with research-backed videos so that we can get rid of the clickbait titles, actually understand the research, and therefore reach our goals more successfully, more consistently, and I'm looking for another word. When you do something in the, what is it called? Quick about, oh my god. Efficiency! More efficiently! But most of all, you can expect spontaneous adventure and an honest report on the whole damn thing. So subscribe to my channel and drop me a like and a comment whilst you're down there. I want to reach as many people as possible and grow an amazing community of beautiful individuals who love life, want to get better at living, better at having fun, but most of all, creating a life you are obsessed with every damn day.